In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a 2x2 image on Canva. Now, this is good for passport photos, and it's typically a format that you use for professional like visa photos or for government agencies. Now, you can create this in Canva. I'm going to show you how you can do it, and I'm going to show you everything in this video for free. So I've just downloaded, as an example, this image. Now, this is obviously an example image, but we're going to use it for this video. Now, if you notice, this image has a white background, but I want the background completely gone. I want it removed completely, and I'm going to show you first how you can remove the background for free, then how you can add this to a 2x2 dimension in Canva. Now, if you've got Canva Pro, you can actually remove the background in Canva Pro, but if not, you want to go ahead and Google for background remover free. Now we can go ahead and go to remove.bg, and this allows us to remove the background of any image. So if you click upload image, you can upload your image here of yourself. It's probably going to be a portrait image. You can then let this program do its thing and remove the background, and you can then download it as HD. Now, you can get one image for free in HD, and I would recommend you do it in HD if you just go ahead and sign up for a free account. So I'm just going to sign up now, and we're going to use this image. Okay, so it's going to ask you to confirm your email, which I'm going to do now, and then it will give you the HD image. You really do need the HD image, so I would stress, I would create an account because it is going to be free and it is going to give you the HD image. So here we go. We've got 1 credit. We can download the HD image for free using that 1 credit. It's going to then download it to our computer. Now, while that's downloaded, we'll go to Canva. We'll go create a design in the top left-hand corner. We'll then go custom size, and then you want to change this to inches. Then put width as 2 and height as 2. Then click create a new design. Here is your 2x2 image. Okay, so let's download this image. And now with the remove background, we can go ahead and upload this to Canva. So if you go to uploads, upload files, you can then add in your picture with the background removed. And we've already removed this before we add it to Canva, remember. And if you already have a white background, you might not need to remove it, but I'm just showing you how you could do if you really did need to remove it. Then you can add on your photo, and then there we go. Look how good this looks. Make sure it's all centered. And that's pretty much it. You then go to share in the top right hand corner. You can then download this as a PNG, and it will download with your face on a white background in a 2x2 image. Thank you for watching. That will then go to your downloads or wherever you need to put it.